A tri-square and a mitre square are also the tools you must have. I use this combination mitre square. When you draw lines all around the stock, for example, shoulder lines of a tenon, the following order should be followed. Draw the first line on the primary side. The stock of the tri-square is pushed against the longer edge. Turn the piece away from you and draw the second line. Go back to the primary side by turning the piece backward. Turn the piece towards you again and then draw the third line. Turn the piece towards you once more and draw the final line, hoping the lines will match up. If you turn your piece only in one direction, the lines might not connect on the last side. This is because it is technically almost impossible to make a perfect tri-square or to dress materials in perfect right angle. So turning the piece only in one way may amplify the inaccuracy of them. On the contrary, this way will offset the inaccuracy and you can get one connected line all around.